Frameless shower doors open up your bathroom visually and are easier to keep clean than framed alternatives. But glass thickness, hardware quality, and fit all vary significantly between options. Here are 5 of the best available right now. 1. Woodbridge. Soft close frameless. The Woodbridge stands out for combining a genuine soft close sliding mechanism with certified safety glass at a mid-range price. The door uses 3/8" tempered glass certified to ANSIZ 97.1, the standard that confirms the glass meets minimum safety requirements for shower enclosures. On top of that, an explosion-proof safety film holds fragments together if the glass is ever broken, which adds a meaningful layer of protection in a wet environment. The soft close system slows the door in the final few inches of travel, thus preventing the hard slam that loosens hardware over time. This extends the lifespan of the door's rollers and brackets significantly. Available in brushed nickel, matte black, chrome, and brushed gold, it covers the most common bathroom finish choices. Woodbridge also operates US-based customer support, which buyers consistently note makes warranty claims and part replacements straightforward. This is the most balanced choice for most homeowners upgrading a standard 57.5 to 60" shower opening. 2. VIGO Elan Frameless. The VIGO Elan is built for homeowners who want a door that performs reliably over years of use, particularly in older homes where walls and floors shift over time. The Smart Adjust system is the feature that separates this door from the competition at the premium level, as it allows the door panel to be recalibrated to stay plumb even as the surrounding structure settles. In homes more than 10 years old, walls and tile frequently move slightly. A door without this adjustment gradually becomes difficult to open or develops gaps that let water escape. VIGO's roller disc technology uses a sealed roller mechanism designed to resist the soap scum and mineral buildup that causes sliding doors to stick or drag over time. The hardware is constructed from 7-layer plated stainless steel, which resists corrosion in the humid environment of a daily use shower. The 3/8" tempered glass meets the same ANSI standard as the Woodbridge, and the door is backed by VIGO's limited lifetime warranty. If you want a frameless sliding door that accounts for real-world structural changes in your home, this is the most practical premium investment. 3. DreamLine Enigma-X. The DreamLine Enigma-X delivers a well-known brand, certified glass, and a proprietary water-repellent coating at a price point that undercuts most premium competitors. The standout feature is ClearMax glass coating. This is a factory-applied treatment that causes water and soap to beat off the glass surface rather than sitting and drying into mineral deposits and soap scum. In practical terms, this means less scrubbing during routine cleaning and slower buildup between deep cleanse. The stainless steel top guide bar can be trimmed up to 4 inches on site during installation. This is a useful feature for shower openings where the rough measurement and the final tiled measurement differ slightly, a common situation during bathroom renovations. The door is also reversible, so it works for both right and left openings without ordering a separate configuration. DreamLine backs this with a lifetime limited manufacturer warranty, and the Enigma-X has accumulated one of the highest verified review counts in the frameless door category on Amazon. For homeowners who want a reliable name brand door with a practical low-maintenance coating, this delivers strong value. 4. DreamLine Unidoor. The DreamLine Unidoor is the right choice when your shower opening doesn't match the standard 56 to 60" range that most sliding doors are designed for. This hinge swing door is available in widths from 23 to 61 inches, covering openings that sliding door systems simply cannot fit. If you're working with a walk-in shower alcove, a smaller bathroom with a narrow shower stall, or an older home with non-standard dimensions, the Unidoor's size range removes the need to modify your shower opening to fit an off-the-shelf door. The wall-to-glass hinges are made from solid brass rather than the zinc alloy hardware common at this price point. Brass resists corrosion more effectively in wet conditions and holds its finish longer. The self-closing mechanism returns the door to a closed position after use, which helps contain steam and warmth inside the shower. ClearMax coating is included here as well, keeping cleaning requirements low. This is the most practical option for anyone dealing with a non-standard shower opening who doesn't want to compromise on build quality. 5. KPUY Frameless. As the KPUY delivers certified safety glass and a complete frameless sliding door system at a price that makes it accessible for renovations on a tighter budget. The glass is 1/4 inch tempered, certified to SGCC standards, the Safety Glazing Certification Council standard that confirms the glass meets minimum safety requirements for residential use. A nano explosion-proof coating is applied to the surface, which performs the same function as the safety film on higher-priced options, holding fragments together in the event of breakage. At 1/4 inch thickness, the glass is slightly thinner than the 3/8 inch panels on the Woodbridge and VIGO options. This is a reasonable trade-off at the budget price point, and the glass remains fully certified for safe residential use. That the matte black hardware finish suits the current direction of bathroom design and covers the most popular aesthetic in 2026 renovations. Installation is designed for DIY completion without professional help. For a first-time homeowner replacing an outdated shower enclosure on a limited budget, the KPUY provides the core benefits of frameless design: open sightlines, easier cleaning, and a modern look, without the premium price.